Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's literally been a week ago today. I set my trail cam here at this little trail system park thing that I found on Google Maps one day. It's actually way up there a little bit more, but I didn't want to trigger the camera too close, although I'm probably going to as I walk up. So let's get to it. Alright, trail cam should be around the base of this little tree here. I kind of came at it at an angle so I wouldn't record myself too much. And I don't... Oh good, I do see the strap. So, it's still there. Hopefully. Alrighty, so here's how I had it set up. I just used a couple of sticks to prop the back up so it will be level, hopefully. And I'll show you, I recently purchased something to help with that. There she is. I already turned it off. If I can dig it out of my Hidden Woodsman haversack. Hopefully I was wise enough to put them on top. And it was. Sweet. So here's my solution for leveling it. These are just a couple of dollar store, it's a 2-pack from the dollar store, door stops. Because I was thinking I could put it behind the camera to sort of level it out, you know, make them level, and it was cheap. So, and because they're rubber too, they're not going to rust. And if they get, you know, if the whole camera gets ripped off, I'll only be out $1 for the, you know, for the door stops. So, all right. I'm really hoping I got some footage this time. No, I'll have to rehang it again and just keep trying.